It's so early in the morning and I'm already hungry. Shh. I asked Mr. Monster to make my breakfast for me. But I don't think he's happy. Mr. Monster? He's not happy. I have an idea. What about singing a song? I know what song is. Hold on. Yeah, this one. I love you, you love me. We are happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Again. I love you, you love me. We are happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? It worked! Now I'm supposed to be calm like me and you. I can eat now. Hello? Let me grab my breakfast, Mr. Monster. Excuse me? Delicious. What did it make? Let's see. Bread. Crackers. And a delicious cake. And I brought something too. Milk. I'm so clumsy. Okay, let's try again, but very slowly and carefully. Slowly. Alright. Okay, now I got it. Huh? Mr. Monster, would you like some milk? No. Okay, but what would you like? Okay. I knew that already. I have a surprise. Hold on. Ta-da! I brought you chocolate. Would you like it? I know. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, and go! I knew it! Look how Mr. Monster is. He's really happy. Are you happy? I am happy too. Are you happy? But do you know what's gonna make me even happier? To see the day shine. It's a beautiful day outside, isn't it, Mr. Monster? Bye!